In this video, you are going to see how to add icons in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to Insert, go to Icons, and here you will find various icons. Suppose I want to add an icon of home, so let us write here home, and you will find various icons. Click on over here, click on Insert, then the icon will be added. Click on it, you can go to Graphics field, you can change the color of your choice. Even you can add icon from the internet. Go any browser and write here home icon png and go to this website flat icon and you will find various icon. Click on right button and copy this image. Now let us go to PowerPoint and press Ctrl V to paste. Click on it, go to picture format, go to color, you can change the color from here. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.